Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is on YouTube. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the custom URL for your YouTube channel. This tutorial is for anybody who already has a custom URL for their YouTube channel and wants to change it to something else. To change your existing custom URL, open a web browser, go to your YouTube channel, then click on this button here, Customize Channel, or click on your profile icon in the top right corner and click on YouTube Studio. On the left sidebar, click on Customization, then click on Basic Info. Scroll down, you will first see your channel URL, then you will see your custom URL. Before you continue, you may want to click on this link, Learn More, and just read through all of the details about custom URLs for your YouTube channel. And note, you can remove and set up a new custom URL for your channel up to 3 times per year. When you are ready to change the custom URL for your YouTube channel, the first thing you want to do is click on Delete. That will open your Google account profile page, then scroll down to the About section and you will see YouTube Custom URL with your existing custom URL listed. Then you want to click on the right-facing arrow and click on Remove to remove your existing custom URL. Once you have removed your custom URL, go back to your YouTube channel, click on Customize Channel again, or click on the profile icon and go to YouTube Studio, click on Customization in the left sidebar, click on Basic Info, scroll down until you see Custom URL. Since you just removed your old custom URL, you will have the option to add a new one here. So enter in your new URL, and if it's available, all you have to do is just click on Publish in the top right corner, hit refresh, and there you will see your new custom URL. You can click on this to copy it to your clipboard, paste it into a browser just to test it out, and there you have it. And that is how to change your YouTube custom URL. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.